Hey there guys, Stephanie here with the Moxie Maids with my dog who seems like he doesn't want to be a part of this video, but that's okay. I wanted to come on quickly to tell you about house cleaning the Moxie Maids team did today in Old Fourth Ward. So we had a very busy business professional reach out to the Moxie Maids team and let us know that he was getting ready to sell his apartment and wanted to make sure that it was ready to put on a market, and he had photographers coming to take some pictures. So he wanted to make sure his apartment was picture perfect by the time the photographers came and it would be ready for its listing. So of course the Moxie Maids team came out and did a great job. So stick around to watch that video, and then make sure you stick around to the end of the video to make sure you see the client's reaction once he stepped into his brand new sparkling clean apartment. Okay, let's do a super quick tour of the home. It's not in bad condition, but definitely not ready to have pictures taken professionally to hit the market. There's definitely a few things I see that can be cleaned, a few detail things that we are going to help him out. When you are getting ready to stage your home, you want everything to look nice and neat, even from your towel racks to any bottles of soap or conditioner you may have. You want everything just to look really nice and clean, even your toothbrush holder. So this was something that I noticed, that the toothbrush holder really needed to be clean, the base of it and even the actual toothbrush itself. So this is going to photograph really well, and something that might have been missed if you're not paying attention to detail. And we want to make sure that the sink is clean, but we also want to make sure the faucets are nice, clean, and sparkling. White doors show a lot of dirt, so we want to make sure those are nice and clean. When photographers come into your home, they notice everything, even the ceiling fan. Here is some of the dirt and debris that we got from this ceiling fan once cleaned. If your apartment or home has a nice view, your photographer is definitely going to want to take a picture of that. So you want to make sure your window sills are completely cleaned. From the naked eye, you might not have noticed how dirty these windowsills were, but look at that towel. Yep, I think we got everything. We don't want the photographer getting all this dirt and dust off of the ceiling fan in the living room. We got it. Window blinds can be very, very time consuming to clean, but they also hold a lot of dirt. So you want to make sure you get those nice and cleaned. And the windows as well. Okay, let's take a look at the kitchen. We want to make sure the backsplash is clean, especially this particular backsplash because it is white. We want to make sure we removed everything off the counters and give the countertops a nice deep clean and make sure they look sparkling and new. And when you're done cleaning the counters, place everything back nice and neat. Okay, now on to cleaning the stove top and inside the stove as well. This may take a while, so we'll definitely come back to revisit the stove cleaning. This apartment was pretty dusty when we arrived, so we want to make sure we do a very thorough job getting all of the dust out of the home. And we're still working on cleaning the inside of that stove. It's coming along pretty good. So this homeowner has a dog living with him in the home. And one of the things you want as you are selling your home, you never want it to be obvious that you have a dog or a cat living there. And one of the main places that pet fur accumulates is on the couch. So we wanted to do a really good job at doing a deep cleaning of this couch. And then putting the blanket back, making it look nice and neat. This couch seriously looks brand new. And we are still working on the inside of that stove. The living room is often the focal point of the home, so you want to make sure it is appealing to a potential buyer. So you want to make sure that it is nice and neat. Okay, I think we are finally done with the inside of this stove and it looks good. And we want to make sure that the TV and electronics are cleaned as well. In these type of cleans, details matter. Laundry areas are notorious for having a lot of dust, so we want to make sure the washer and dryer looks good. The outside of the cabinets in the kitchen and the bathroom are of a lighter tan color, so it shows dirt very easily. So we want to make sure that we give the outside of the cabinets a really good deep clean. Okay, time to vacuum. The bedroom carpet has been vacuumed and they look good to go. Okay, and now we're gonna put the finishing touches on the kitchen, making sure the faucets are clean and the sink gets a really nice deep clean as well. And don't forget about your dishwasher. You want to make sure when you're selling your house, you want to have the confidence that everything has been cleaned. Okay, time to mop and add a little bit of shine to these floors. Last but not least, the baseboards. This living room is ready for its close-up. And the bathroom as well. All right, we're gonna put the finishing touches on the kitchen floor, and I think the owner is headed back, and let's see what he has to say about his new apartment. You can come on in. This part isn't wet, so you can come on in. We are mopping up the kitchen area.
Oh, it feels so good.
It feels good?
It feels good. It feels so good.
Good. So if you want, you can go ahead. These areas right here are all dry, or getting dry. So you can go ahead and take a look around the bedroom and all that jazz. Let us know what you think.
I think it feels great.
Good.
Oh man. I don't want to come back in here. I don't want to mess up the guts. I don't want to live here.
Like nobody's come in here. It's over with. Nobody can enter.
Yeah, I don't want anybody to come in. Yeah, this is so good.
Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You are so welcome.
It looks great. It feels great. I don't know what more I could want.
Good. All good. All right, our job here is done. See you next time.
Yeah, that's great.
Looks good?
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Okay.
I mean, I'm gonna follow y'all out. I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna come back when it's
all dry.
Pictures.
All right, sounds good. Guess who's back? My dog Donovan. Let me know what you guys thought about the cleaning. That particular client was super nice, and his apartment is ready to be photographed, and I'm sure it will sell pretty quickly. And of course, if you are in the Atlanta area or the surrounding areas and you are in need of a deep clean, please feel free to reach out to the Moxie Maids. We are here to help. And of course, I always tell people we are not the cheapest cleaning service in town, but we are one of the best. So if you have any cleaning needs, please reach out to us. Bye. Can you say bye? Bye.
It's been a long time.